Hi everyone, so in this lecture we will discuss another property of a Laplace transformation. So that property is change of a scale property. So its a statement is, if we have a Laplace transformation of f of t equal to phi of s, then we only have to prove Laplace of f of at is equal to 1 by a into phi of s by a. Okay, to prove this proof, just consider our given condition, that is our definition, that is this L of ft. So by definition, that definition we have already discussed in previous lecture, that is in lecture number 1. So by definition, Laplace of f of t is equal to what? Integration from 0 to infinity, that is the range of t. First function is e raised to minus st into second function is f of t. Here if we have function f of t, then write this second element as a f of t into dt. So this is my equation number 1. Okay, so this is true because of a definition of Laplace transformation. Now observe one thing, we only have to prove, that is we only have to obtain this LHS is equal to RHS. Now LHS is equal to what? F of at. Okay, and we have now obtained equation number 1 for a f of t, that is इथे आहे f of t आणि इथे आहे f of at. So f of t असताना जर हे इंटिग्रेशन येत असेल तर f of t च्या ऐवजी f of at पुट केल्यानंतर इंटिग्रेशन काय येईल? सो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ इक्वेशन नंबर 1 वी कॅन राईट this L of, that is Laplace of f of at is equal to first range, that is 0 to infinity, will remain as it is. This first term also will remain as it is, that is e raised to minus st. F of t now will replace by this term, that is f of a into t into my dt. Okay, so this is my definition. Now to solve this integration, we will do one thing, that is we will use here substitution formula. Just put at is equal to some variable, so put, okay, this is possible because of we only have to solve this integration. For that we will use substitution formula, and for that at is equal to, put at is equal to small p. Okay, so this is done. ह्या इक्वेशनसाठी हे जे काय फंक्शन हवं होतं ते तरी पॉसिबल झालं आहे. नेक्स्ट टीची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला इथे कॅल्क्युलेट करायची, सो ए टी इज इक्वल टू पी असेल, सो दॅट इम्प्लाइज टी इज इक्वल टू काय मिळेल आपल्याला? पी डिवाइड्स ए. सिमिलरली we want to calculate here dt also. So if dt is t is equal to this term, then dt is equal to how much? This dp, and divide by this a treat as a constant here. Nextly we have a range, t ची रेंज दिली आहे 0 to infinity, म्हणजेच t ची रेंज आहे 0 to infinity. Now t is will replace by a variable p, that is a small p. Then put t equal to 0 in this equation. If t is equal to 0, then a into 0 is 0, therefore p will give us answer, first value is 0. So p equal to 0. Similarly put t equal to infinity in this LHS, then we will get a into infinity is equal to infinity, and p will give us answer infinity. So that means infinity. So we have obtained range of variable p with the help of this variable t. Okay, so we have obtained all these values, that is at calculate केला आहे, that is a p. इथे t आहे त्याची व्हॅल्यू काढली आहे, दॅट इज p बाय a. हा dt आहे त्याची सुद्धा व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट केली आहे, दिस इज माय dp अपॉन a. सिमिलरली ही जी काही रेंज आहे ती सुद्धा कॅल्क्युलेट केली आहे, दॅट इज 0 टू इन्फिनिटी. नाउ विल गिव अस अ रेंज दॅट इज 0 टू इन्फिनिटी अगेन. सो देअरफॉर दिस इंटिग्रेशन विल गिव अस व्हॅल्यू, जे काही आपण ऑप्टेन केले त्या व्हॅल्यू 1 बाय 1 पुट करून घेऊया. सो इंटिग्रेशन 0 टू इन्फिनिटी असेल तर आतासुद्धा व्हॅल्यू किती? इंटिग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 टू इन्फिनिटी ही व्हॅल्यू लिहिलेली आहे इथे. ई रेस टू मायनस एस टी आहे, सो ई रेस टू मायनस एस विल रिमेन ॲज इट इज. टी विल बी रिप्लेस बाय दिस एलिमेंट, सॉरी दिस एलिमेंट, सो दॅट इज पी डिवाइड बाय ए इंटू f of at. at is equal to how much now? p. So this will give us answer f of p, and dt, that is last element dt, will replace by this element, that is dp by a. So write here dp divide by a. Okay, now observe one thing, that is 1 by a is equal to constant, therefore take it as a outside from this integration. Then remaining elements are like this, that is 0 to infinity e raised to minus s into p divide by a into f of p into this dp. And here a is also constant, therefore take it as outside from this bracket, that is firstly 1 by a take it as it is. 0 to infinity, there will be no change in this integration. Similarly, e raised to this minus s divided by a, both are treated as a constant, and then this is my p, and into this is my f of p into dp. Okay, now to find this value, as you have already given, that is Laplace of f of t equal to phi of s, but Laplace of f of t is equal to how much? This term, that is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. सो हे तिन्ही सुद्धा एक्झाम्पल एकमेकांना काय आहेत, इक्वल रिप्रेझेंट करतात. इथे एस का आला आहे? बिकॉज टीचा जो व्हेरिएबल आहे म्हणजे कोइफिशियंट आहे त्याचीच व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? फाय ऑफ एस. सो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ इक्वेशन नंबर 1, this take 1 by a as it is, that is 1 by a, and this integration with the help of equation 1 and given condition in given statement, then this can be written as phi of s. Means what? Here we have a constant term, that is coefficient of p is a s by a. So this is my answer. Hence we have obtained the value of this statement, that is change of a scale property is, if we have a L of ft is equal to phi of s, then we can write Laplace of f of at is equal to 1 by a into this phi of s divided by a.